In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the most important diagnostic tools you can have in your toolbox. Starting with fuel pressure gauge, compression gauge. As you get a little further along, exhaust back pressure gauge, 7-pin tester, block tester, thermometer, leak down tester, cooling system pressure tester, test lights. These aren't as important as they once were, but 20 years ago you had to have these. And finally, the power probe. Among all of these, the power probe is by far the best time saver. You need them all, but this thing is going to be your best friend. Which one of these tools do you think is the most important? And which ones did I miss? Please let me know in the comments.